Hello, my name is Lynn English, and I'm a student of Kerri Ho and a member of the Songbird tree. I've been a member of the Songbird tree for about 2 years now, and I decided in 2020 I was going to give myself a birthday gift and take private lessons one-on-one with a vocal coach. Around that same time, Kerri had a special offer for first-time students to do a trial lesson with her. And I knew from almost the moment she started speaking that she was my person. She understood my goals for my voice, what I was trying to accomplish, and she really tailors my lessons to fit my personality, my learning style, how I process information. She uses humor, of course, and some things that at times I find are highly questionable, but I just go with it because I trust her. And I can honestly say that in the 6 months that we've been working together, I've had major changes in my voice, the tonal quality, the strength, breath control, just the overall sound of it, the richness. And I have Kerri's methods to thank for that. And I look forward to our lessons, and we laugh and we sing and we have a really good time because she's such a pleasant person to work with. Her personality that you see online, that is exactly who she is in real life. But it's even better because you get to interact with her one-on-one. So if you haven't signed up for lessons with her, give it a shot, see if it's for you. But I can tell you the improvements that I hear to my voice they're epic. And we've just started. We're going to get to some really great places together. Just wanted to give this brief testimonial to the effectiveness of Kerri's teaching style. Like I said, if you've never taken vocal coaching and you want to improve your voice, just give it a try. It's not for everybody, but it was for me, and I'm glad that I responded to her offer for a one-on-one lesson. And we've been together ever since, singing as us songbirds do. So, he said, my name is Lynn. I've been studying with her for about 6 months, and that's my testimony.